Hello and welcome to math lesson number 23. So first of all, guys, say a big hello to our friends on camera. Hello. And now we'll do our meditation sequence. So teacher Wes will sit down and we'll, 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. When we're ready, slowly open our eyes and come back to the room. Okay, guys? Okay. And what's next? Stretching sequence. So we'll stand up, take our chairs and place them inside our desks. So let's give our hands a shake. Roll our wrists. Stop. Hands a shake. Stop. And this time, let's shake our arms. Excellent. And now, hands together. And can we roll our shoulders? Roll our shoulders. Excellent. And now hands on hips. And let's go side to side. And stop, side to side. Stop, forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards, and backwards, forwards, and stop. Stop. How about round and round? Let's go round and round. Stop. We go the other way, back round and round. And stop. And to finish, we'll have 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Excellent, guys. Okay, so now we're ready, we're warmed up. Time for math lesson 23. So, who can tell me what this sign means? Plus. Addition. D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition. Okay, so let's see. Let's close our eyes, guys. Let's see, we'll go with How many numbers are we adding together?
3.
3. So let's see down. Come to the front. And you can work out. So we've got 25. And first of all, we need to add that to 112. Sure. Add together. No. 43, 25 and 112. So what we need to do, like this, look at the digits, okay? So 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So for 25, is 25, we have the 10s and the 1s. Remember place value? And same for 43. Always remember to have a look at your number of digits to know your place value. And what's the answer? 180. High five. Excellent. Round of applause for down. So that was a good example because first of all, we didn't know where we were putting our digits. You always need to look at your number first to decide how many digits in order to know their place value. 2 digits is 10s and 1s, but 3 digits is hundreds, 10s and 1s. So very good. Next one, let's see. We've done addition. Next, we are going to do subtraction. How do we spell subtraction? Can you remember? S, U, B, T, R, A, C, T, I, O, N. Subtraction. Okay, so let's do a nice subtraction sum. Let's start with a big number because we need to take away. Let's close our eyes. Let's close our eyes. And who will? We haven't closed our eyes. Okay. And we can open our eyes. Who's got the pen? Come forward. It's time for your equation. So which number are we starting with? Which number do we start with? Do we start with this number? Do we start with this number?
No. Yes.
And what is that number? 525. Excellent. Making sure we know our place value. What's our answer, Pakboon? 400. High five. Round of applause for Pakboon. You see, we start with 525. Then we take away 105. But we're not finished yet because we need to take away a further 20. And that gives us 400. Okay, so we know about addition and subtraction in separate equations. But what about if we have to add and take away in the same equation? Do we think we know how to do? Let's see. So next one, we'll use this. So now we're doing both at the same time, so we need to be careful. You need to look at your sign. What's this number?
320.
Plus
225. Minus 350.
equals. Okay, close our eyes, guys. Remember this time, we need to check because we're doing addition and subtraction in the same equation. Open our eyes, please. Preo, please come forward. So it's important to realize the place value of each digit and to always start with the first number. So we have 320. And then we add 225, which gives us what number does it give us, Prel?
545.
Okay, so far we're doing fine. We have 545, but we're not finished yet. Now we need to minus, we subtract, we take away. You running out of space? Okay, so we've got our answer, 545, but now we have to take away 350. Five minus 0, 5. But now we have to borrow. So what's our answer?
195.
See? 320 plus 225 gives us,
545.
but then minus 350.
Equal 195.
Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Prel. And we'll do one more. We'll start. Somebody give me a number. You can say it. You don't have to whisper. You can tell me. You can tell me. 9. Just 9? We need bigger numbers than 9. How about...
943.
Okay, 943. I think our pen's running out. 943. This time, before we add, we'll take away. So what number can we take away? 122. And now we'll add another number. 53. Okay. So this time, that's why it's important to know the symbols. Because if you add here instead of take away, you'll be wrong. So let's close our eyes. Let's close our eyes. Let's open our eyes. Pat, come and help teacher. We'll do this equation together. Okay, so what's our first number? 943. What do we need to do? Minus, take away. Minus 122.
Equal 841. 21.
Okay, so we're at 821. Are we finished?
No.
No. What do we need to do?
Plus.
Add 53. 53. And then, so 1 plus 3? 4. 2 plus 5?
7.
And then we've got 8. No, don't forget number 8. We're in the hundreds, you need to. $821 plus 53 equals 874. If we just say 74, we're wrong, because we forgot about 800. Okay, high five. Round of applause for Pat. And we'll do one more in class before our next exercise. Let's see. Close your eyes. Let's see who gets the pen. Okay, open our eyes. Nadia, your friends, they picked you. They want to make sure you do this one. Okay, so what do we need to do? We have 1,104. Then plus, and then
1,104.
remember last lesson, the relationship between plus and take away, opposite. So let's begin with this number. 1,104 plus 950. So 4 plus 0,
4 plus equal 4.
0 plus 5,
4 equal
5.
equal 10.
What's we? Okay, now let's stop there for a minute. Remember last lesson, Teacher Wes said about the relationship, opposites, plus and take away. What do we need to do now?
Minus.
We need to minus 1,104. So let's see what number we end up with at the end.
150.
We'll see. So, minus 1,104. 4 minus 4. What's the answer? 950, see? It's the answer. 1,104 plus 950. But then if we take away 1,104 again, what are we left with?
950.
Am I right? High five. Round of applause. Remember, Teacher Wes said, addition is the opposite of subtraction. So if we add a number to another number, but then we take that number away, we're going to be left with that number. Because we addition, but then subtraction. So excellent, guys. So next what we'll do, we'll all stand up, push in our chairs, and we'll do... Now let's see, what can we do first? Let's, hands on hips. Let's give a little wiggle. Stop. Let's give another little wiggle. Stop. Backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards. Backwards and stop. Backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards. Backwards and stop. And now let's go round and round. And let's go back the other way. And now, let's give a shake. Arms and legs shake. And what we're going to do for 5 seconds is we're just going to jog on the spot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Finish with 10 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 claps. Very good. Sit down, guys. So what we're going to do now, teachers, is there is a flashcard that we will use for this lesson. It has various equations on them using both addition and subtraction. You need to print off as many flashcards as you need to give one equation to every student. And what the students have to do, once they receive their equation, they need to work it out. But then, keep it to themselves, because they will come to the board and figure it out for their friends to see. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes. Ready.
Okay. Nadia, that's for you. Down,
Thank you.
that's for you. Pangpon, there's your one. Let go.
Thank you.
Pat.
Thank you.
So remember, very careful to see if it's plus or minus. Because if you add when it's minus, you'll be wrong. And if you minus when it's plus, you'll be wrong.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Which one would you like these two? So spend the next couple of minutes letting your students figure out their equation. Help them if needs be, and then we'll move on to the board activity. So you need any help, guys, let me know.
Finish.
Okay. Shall we start with you? Because we'll go in a sequence. We'll go Pak Bung, we'll go Prel, we'll go Pat. Pat, you finish? You know your answer? What's your answer? Because you need to know how to do for everybody to see. Okay? Let go. Okay? Pangpon.
Yeah.
Okay? Down. Okay? Hello and welcome back to class. So now our students are working on their equation. We'll give them a few more minutes to let them finish, and then we're going to do our board activity. So how's it going, guys? 51 plus 76 minus 7, 120. Excellent. 45 plus 38 minus 6. Pat, okay, how's it going? We've got 23 plus 8 minus 8 equals
50.
You see? Because you're adding and then you're taking away. So you get the same number.
Yes.
That's a good one because we'll be able to show how we add and take away.
39.
No. 23. 23. Plus 8. 8 plus 3. 31. And then minus. Not plus.
Minus.
Equals
33.
23. You see, it's the same number because you add and then subtract.
Yes.
Very good. Let go. Okay. 98 plus 3. Excellent. Pangpon, how are you doing? Let's see. So we've got 12. Add 3. 15 minus 4.
Equal 11.
Excellent. Teacher Wes's birthday. 38 plus 23. Equals down. 50, 61 minus. The one there, you see? So here, 38 plus 23, then minus, not plus. 38 plus 23. Minus. You see, you have to be careful. That's what I say, be careful if it's plus or minus. Because if you add when it's minus, it will be wrong. So, 61 minus 9. You can work out there. And then you can show your workout on the board. 54 plus 3. 57. Excellent, guys. Some good examples because it's nice to see that you understand when you have to add and when you have to subtract. All nearly ready? Okay, ready, guys? I think what we'll do, we'll go in sequence. We'll start on this side. We'll start with Pak Boom. Are you ready? Okay. Teacher Wes will get out of the way. Teacher Wes will sit here. So, Pak Boom. Bring your equation. So first of all, what we need to do, guys, is write the question as you have it. So write your question first. Teacher Wes will help. 51 plus 76 equals, and then minus 7. So 1 plus 6 minus 7 is 0. Seven plus 5.
12.
Okay, so can we see? 51 plus 76, but minus 7 equals
12. 120.
120. High five. And round of applause for Pak Boom. Okay, so now we can, would you like to keep your equation? You can keep, okay? So now, next person. Hello. So first of all, what Teacher Wes would like to do, I'll write the question. So everybody can see. What do we? 45
and 13
plus or minus?
plus 13
Plus 13
and minus 6
minus 6 equals, okay, Prel, take it away. $45 plus 13. Addition. Excellent. So far we've got, what number do we have, Prel?
55
58. 45 plus 13 is 58. But we're not finished yet. We need to subtract 6. Not 2. 58 minus 6. Don't forget 50. So what's our answer?
52
45 plus 13 minus 6 is 52. High five. Round of applause for prayer. And here's your sticker. Okay, who's next? Pat, are you ready? Pat, I think, has an interesting one. This will be good to see. This one will help us understand the relationship between addition and subtraction. So what's your numbers again, can I see? So we have first number, 23, plus 8, minus 8. Okay, take it away, Pat. Let's see. So first of all, 23 plus 8. (23 plus 8), what does that give us? 31. Excellent, Pat. So what do you think will happen now we take 8 away again? What number will we go back to? What do we think?
23
Excellent. 23 plus 8 minus 8
equals 23
will take us back to our original number, which is 23. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Pat. You see, guys, that's another way we can understand the difference between plus and minus, addition and subtract. They're the opposites. 23 plus 8, 31. But then if we take away 8 again, we go back to 23. So teachers, you can see what we're doing here in our class. We're going to do it so that all of our students get a chance to play. So now if you want to pause the video and play in your class, you can do. Like how? Are you ready? Let's see, what's your numbers? 98
plus 3
plus 3
minus 9
minus 9. There you go. Over to you. 98 plus 3 equals 100 and
1.
but we're not finished yet. Not finished with 101, because now we have to take away 9. So 101 minus 9 equals
92.
Excellent. What's our answer, Latgal?
92.
High 10. Round of applause for Latgal. Let's see who's next. Pak Bung, Prel, Pat, Latgal, down. Come forward, Pang Pon. Bring your ticket. Yes, sorry, that's for you. You're welcome. Okay, Pang Pon, what numbers do we have?
23.
Oh, sorry, I need to delete first. Okay, first number. 12.
12.
And then what do we need to do? Plus or minus?
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
Minus 4.
Over to you. So 12. We have 12, and then we have to add 3.
Equal 15.
Equals 15.
And 15 minus 4 equal 10. Equal 11.
That's right. No, you're right. 12 plus 3, 15. But we're not finished yet. We need to subtract, minus, take away 4. And what number do we get left with? 11. Excellent. So you see, Pakbon, you've gone from 12, added 3, 15, take away 4, 11. Very good. And now it's time for down. Round of applause for Pangpon. High five. We high fived? Did we not high five? Okay, then high 10. Excellent. I thought we high fived already. I must have forgotten. Down. What numbers do we have?
38.
38.
Plus.
38?
No.
No, that's not 38. Teacher Wes is wrong. How do we say 38 with numbers? 3, 8,
Plus. 23.
23.
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Okay? Minus 9. So over to you. 38 plus 23. $61. But we're not finished yet. Do we need to add or take away? We need to take away 9. So 61 minus 9. 1 minus 9 we can't do. We need to borrow. Excellent, that's correct. 11 minus 9 too. So what's your answer? Equals 52. High five. Round of applause for down. And now we have our last student. We have Nadia. Nadia, come and join Teacher Wes. Let's see, Teacher Wes will clean the board. Can you tell me your numbers?
54.
54.
Plus.
Plus 3
Minus.
minus
9.
9 equals, we will find out. So 54 plus 3.
57.
That's right. And then 57 minus 9.
Equal 48.
Yay. So what's our answer? 48. 54 plus 3 minus 9.
Equal 48.
High five. Round of applause for Nadia. Excellent, guys. You were all correct. So now you understand a bit more the relationship between addition, subtraction, and now, even better, you're learning how to do them in the same equation. The one important thing to remember, always check if it's a plus sign, symbol, or a minus sign or symbol, because then you have to decide whether you add or take away. Because if you do the wrong thing, you'll get the wrong answer. Okay, guys? Very good. So now, can we all turn, wave, and say goodbye to our friends? Goodbye. See you again next time. Bye-bye.